There is a very small risk of developing a Bell's palsy, a type of rapid onset and mostly temporary paralysis of the facial muscles, after receiving some COVID-19 vaccines, according to the first large-scale analysis of the phenomenon published in the Lancet Infectious Diseases journal on Monday, though the researchers emphasized that the overall benefits of vaccination vastly outweigh the possible risks. No studies published so far provide definitive evidence to inform individuals with a history of Bell's palsy on what vaccine they should choose, wrote the University of Melbourne's Nicola Cirillo and the University of Toronto's Richard Doan, who were not involved in the study, in a linked comment published alongside the article. While waiting for conclusive evidence on vaccine-associated facial paralysis, one certainty remains: the benefit of getting vaccinated outweighs any possible risk. Initial reporting suggested mRNA vaccines, the technological foundation underpinning Pfizer and Moderna's shots, had a higher than usual incidence of Bell's palsy when compared to other kinds of vaccines. The Food and Drug Administration in the U.S. acknowledged reports of Bell's palsy in clinical trials but said there was insufficient data to have the paralysis listed as a side effect and recommended monitoring for the condition after vaccination. Subsequent research found no association between the mRNA shots and the condition at all, and this study supports that conclusion. It also provides much-needed information on the widely used Sinovac vaccine that makes use of an inactivated virus and emphasizes the benefits of vaccination despite all possible side effects. The Sinovac shot has repeatedly come under fire for relatively low efficacy. Highly vaccinated countries using it were still facing some of the world's worst outbreaks, lack of transparency and dearth of publicly available data. It has become highly politicized in parts of the world and is a key component of China's vaccine diplomacy. This is felt particularly strongly in vaccine-hesitant Hong Kong, where it competes with the Pfizer equivalent. While the cause of Bell's palsy is not known, it can be more likely to occur after some vaccines and is sometimes associated with pregnancy, diabetes, high blood pressure and infections like influenza, herpes simplex and Lyme disease. The vast majority of cases, 70%, resolve without intervention within 6 months, and steroid treatment can boost recovery rates to 90%. The observational nature of the studies examining the association between vaccines and Bell's palsy means they cannot determine if a causal relationship exists between the two.